What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Keep your real squad. Send me a tax excited. Alright guys, my auntie just take what I do. I'm just drop my first video where I review the things I'm gonna buy and use and so forth. Them look around this, I'm gonna see them cover so she asleep. I remember say a friend want my branca, some people request my branca, and at the right time she asleep and she sleeps at there. Canada, watch me, I'm branca already now. So me wanna see this with my phone. Look at me, I chill. She on this sleep in her room. Watch me and her. Just stay tuned because me I can get ready. I get some makeup and do her makeup. And she got vex me. I'm tell you, I don't know oops, I can't catch her reaction. Yo, hear me out. I don't know if I hear it, but anyways, stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe. And share. And share. So guys, I drop a while ago. Well, anyways, I don't know if I can manage that big camera here for video. So I'm gonna use for one phone. I use a phone because my phone have a quality for video, nothing like that. I'm gonna make my auntie pull it. I'm gonna my password. I make my auntie pull it, and then I send it to myself one day. I reckon no man to come in a girl. No man to come in a guys. Anyway, so I'm going to take out the makeup and something. I want the eyeshadow, man. I can't do your bad. Watch me here. Watch me here. Yo, I'm nervous. Study me, guys. Come on, just drop my video and say I study and something. Guys, can you hear me this? Watch me here. I'm gonna wash away because my knee for work, guys. As much as sleep there, cheap before you up, so wish me luck. Guys, so see camera that means me is fearful now. I have to make something here. I can't carry everything in my hand because I'm nervous. I'm feeling things when I'm nervous and so make sure I should look asleep. I'm nervous. So the first thing I have to do, what should I do first? This is so white. I gotta mess up. I'm not make sure no pretty man on this. Anyways, I'm gonna put it and come back. I'm going to be doing it. So guys, stay tuned. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Because Dainelle come on the back of them phone. Guys, she nearly catch me a while ago, so what I'm gonna do is watch her. Man, I true coming there, my nose bad. Anyway, she nearly wake up, she look on me like and about my ID camera off in the bush somewhere. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna make it touch her face, I'm gonna make it blow off on her face like the first time. Guys, she have a kill me now. And the first time I do this, the first time she attacked me for about 2 days. But no, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have to beat fast. Anyways, as I'm doing the video, I'm go straight to the if I'm to turn on this, I'm gonna send everything to myself because I don't even want to delete because I feel falling in so much drama. But anyways, guys, stay with me. Pray for me. So what I do for the next this a blush, you know what? Make I use the lipstick up on her. Come on, mama for pop. Mama she would pop and look at that. And the red lipstick make them sexy. Guys, I don't really want to use too much of this. I'm going to wash some more, but I feel like more use some of this. I have more makeup, but I don't really want to overdo it and sugar cost me. I shouldn't eat like nasty, so. Jesus Christ, I'm nervous. God help me. I'm going to use some of this now. I feel like I'm going to use some bright, goofy colors because more should look just like the perfect clown should be. Well, I just tell them from now. Come on, I feel like I have art failure. But just tell them from now. This is the last one I guess you can have on channel. She's not gonna do it again. Yeah. Boy, oh boy. This not right, man. So it's a run gone what I do it because she say, yo, don't do it because she sleep. But guys, just want to come to know this now. It's blending time. I do no more damage. I cannot do no more damage because she on one side. And when you go drink some water, because I have anxiety problems, and look what I do. My auntie literally run gone out the door because she said she don't want to party because she said, Dainelle, she asleep. Don't do it. I said, I'm not going to keep you in your squad because I don't know I got to know. She gonna kill me. Guys. So I just go look at the camera now, make them get for send to my phone, put it down like no trace, no face, no trace. And start editing feature tomorrow, Friday. And I wait for that for you so I can get a reaction on the camera. Wish me luck. Right, I'm about to pass out if I continue. So first of all, I'm gonna lock my camera, my laptop, because I'm already send the file to my phone. I don't want, sorry. Just not looking yellow. Anyways, I don't want to show them there. She come and do nothing to the laptop, so I just make it sleep. If the man she not so wicked for the doctor, come mad out of me. Oh, mad out of course. But anyways, I got call her off on my phone. Because she hear her phone ring, she go wake up. Look here. You see, we do some brother something for YouTube, brother, and if you don't appreciate them something we don't know. She knows that she will kill me. She not post it none of her from them, so I don't know. So I'm going to get as much viewership as possible. But here goes nothing. I want my phone. Yo, this is why. Can you like wash up your face?
Like you start pranking me now?
I'm not going to put there something that should on your face. Sorry foot. Oh, share? Hey, my prep I did, you know? Right now, I've been she could be away. She not. Kanila. Kana. Guys, I say I can catch a reaction she get up, but right now, my positive say me very a while ago, you know. I'm not even know. She not start good set. She not answer me. But anyway, so guys, last night she vexed me and she not talked to me from yet last night. She vexed. I'm never get a reaction to go to the bathroom because she didn't vex. I'm never sit me down. So now I got to do it because you know I asked her how she feel. Kanila. You vex?
So you are do outside. What do I want to do outside? Everybody else go outside too. Go outside.
How them there?
Go outside. Brianna, go outside now. Sarah, go outside. Baleen, go outside. Take up yourself and go outside. No, nobody not talk to you. I mean, then can. Baleen, go outside. Now go up on a river, up on a stone.
Anyways, she just sent her maid to me and she clear, you know, vex. She said she not vex. You vex, huh? Daniela, you vex? Alright. So I'm gonna get her.